We have another property for sale, a farmland property. So this is 20,000 square meters or 2 hectares clean title. So duha gyud ni ka hektarya guys, it's 2 hectares clean title with irrigated rice field and a portion of upland with fruit trees. So assorted fruit trees. Majority is rice field. So according to the, actually it is not the owner, it is the brother of the owner. So who are in the area. So yung nakatira sa lupa ay yung kapatid na lalaki ng may-ari. So yon po. So it is located in Barangay Tuburan, Ubay, Bohol. So it's part of Tuburan. As I saw the title, it is exact 20,000 square meters. The owner is single dalaga in Bisaya. So meaning it's a clean title. Limpyo ang titulo. And it has actually it is an interior lot and they have already a road right of way. So may right of way na sila, existing road right of way in the area. So it's approximately 7 kilometers from town proper. 7 to 8 kilometers from town proper. Then the fruit trees are banana trees, mango trees, pomelo, many more. Yung kakao, meron din. The house is included. So kasama yung bahay. Hindi marami ang, konti lang ang neighborhood. I think it's just only around 3 neighbors in the area. So ang pwede dito guys, kasi nasa interior tayo at wala talagang makapag sa atin kung anong gagawin natin dito. For example, magpigiri ka, pwede. Kahit anong gawin mo dito. Poultry, pwede. Kasi nandyan tayo sa gitna guys. All are flat terrain. Kung mahilig ka talaga sa farming, ito one of the best property for sale. Maganda to guys. So may maraming mga banana trees and there are several coconut trees. Kaunti lang yung niyog, yung coconut. So Ubay is a progressive town located in the northern part of Bohol province, approximately 2 to 3 hours drive from Tagbilaran City. So the place is really quiet. Kung gusto mong mag-relax dito, maganda. Wala talagang masyadong kapitbahay. It's an open area talaga, guys. Open area. So ito po yung mga prutas, guys, marami. Kakao, may kape pa yata yun. Electricity is available, signal is good. So yung water natin is sa kanila para may ano sila diyan, may deep well. So maraming pumilo, guys, oh. Sobra yung mga pumilo nila, binigay nila sa akin. Dami talaga. Tinatawag namin yung buongon. In Bisaya, buongon. Maraming pumilo. Yan, binigyan ako ni kapatid sa may-ari. So, ang maganda dito, guys, marami. Kasi tayo lang nakatira dito. May mga other fruits pa, yung pang ano yan, ganda yan. Parang lemon din yan, lemon. Binigyan din ako. Ang dami. Sobra yung mga fruits. Binigay niya sa akin. Okay. Asawa ng may-ari, kapatid ng may-ari. Itong bahay kasama na rin to, guys. For inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. Again, the price is 2.5 million pesos, negotiable.